challenge, trading toys for food. Who made this milk tea? Got a milk tea craving today. A stinky modeler like me won't buy one to model. The 3D printer used this time is the extended HRD. Truly a flagship machine. Its printing precision is extremely high. Its laser can even make small signs. I just want to hold your hand and never let go. Can love stay forever pure and free of sorrow? I want to take you biking. I want to watch baseball with you. Want to walk on like this, humming this song. I just want to hold your hand and never let go. Can love be simple and free of pain? You lean on my shoulder, you fall asleep on my chest. Hello everyone, I am. Not you. Could you give me some water? Could you pour me a glass of water? Me. I'll get it for you. Thank you, thank you. Our jasmine tea water, okay? Thank you very much. Can you add a scoop of coconut jelly? Ah, thank you, thank you. Ah, please order me a full set milk tea. Is that okay? Just pearls, only pearls. Yes. Are you giving me tapioca balls? Yeah, yes, I only want tapioca balls. This inside is oats and red beans, right? Ah, just wait a moment. About 3 to 5 minutes. Ah, okay, just wait a bit. Who made this milk tea? Who made the milk tea? What's wrong? Have you tasted these red beans yourselves? Potatoes? Have you tasted them yourselves? What brand is this? Ah. I've tried so many milk tea brands, but your milk tea here. It's really good. Made very well too. You scared me. It's okay, it's okay. Here's the thing, I'm a bit embarrassed. I made this for you, and I'm giving it to you, yes. A model of your shop, for you. You assembled this by hand, right? This is 3D printed. 3D printed, yes, it's 5 pieces. Yes. Oh, thank you, thank you. You put thought into it. My height scared you. Just kidding. Okay, can I get this to go? Thank you. Alright, no problem. This is a badge, and this is a little lucky bag. Oh, got it. Thanks. Thank you so much. Take care now. Bye-bye. Take it easy. Bye-bye. I'll also upload this model to Tutu's MakerWorld community. Feel free to download and print it if you're interested.